Hey guys, how you going? It's been a while. Not done much at all. Sorry about the duration it's taken me to put anything up. It's just, you know how Australia's going at the moment. Or was. Well, it still is, as far as I'm concerned. With all the carry on. I haven't been able to get much timber, at the old Bunnings is like. So I ended up with this piece, 9mm, some Chinese rubbish. Yeah, so you can keep sanding it. I've got polyurethane on at the moment, which will obviously stay there. But you could sand it and just keep coming off. Splinters everywhere. It's just absolute rubbish. So yeah, there's a stamp somewhere on another piece of timber. But anyway, got back to Bunnings. I've got a nice bit of 12mm marine ply again. And look at this, beautiful. Sorry about the dog in the background. I've called the council a few times on it. It just won't shut up. Every day. Yeah, so I'm just trying to sort out the back wall there. We'll pass through there. Nice and wide. I don't even know how wide it is. It's about 600. 400 high. Yeah, so I've got a couple of shelves up here. Probably one about here somewhere, 250 down, and another small one. Frame this out. I think I've got to put a place for the gang switch. It's got to go in. Pile of timber there I got. Running low on that too, so that's got to go in somewhere. Well, not advertising anything. YouTube, just showing that. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to get the ball rolling again now. It's left me down in the dumps a bit, all this carry on. So I got on my drones again. Sorted out a few things with firmware and everything. That's another thing I do. Apart from building things, I build drones. Fiddle around with lots of stuff. Yeah, just grew up that way. That's my dad's old 50-year-old jigsaw. It weighs a ton. Look at old Black & Decker. Yeah, Black & Decker. What is it? 300 watt. It's nice. It's really, really heavy compared to the rubbish Ryobi one, wherever that is. It's just used as so light. It's hopeless. Absolutely hopeless. Anyway, not advertising YouTube. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get onto this, and LED lights there are making it flicker, and hopefully I'll have a bit more progress next time for a video. But I thought I'd just let you know what I'm up to. So sun's shining, and let's get back onto this. Got a lot to do. But anyway, we'll get there. So I've just got to finish this kitchen off, and then I can get maybe a bit of the inside and a couple of shelves or a cupboard or something inside here. Yeah, we'll get onto it all now. Get this bit of ply looking good. I'm just going to keep that natural, so it goes in with the walls. So it'll be the same as that, not the bench. I was thinking the bench colour, but I think it might be too much golden teak everywhere. So I'll just go natural, some polyurethane on it. And yeah, there we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon. See ya, hope you're all good. Crazy world, eh? Anyway, take care everyone.